Boys and girls, now we will watch the video, then we will do interactive exercises, okay? Now watch.
Stars. Come on, stargazers! Bright, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, planets into orbit! Come on! Let's adventure through the whole solar system. Come on! Mercury! Venus! Earth! Mars! Jupiter! Saturn! Uranus! Neptune! Phew! We have travelled all the way from the sun to the heart of the solar system. Oh, we're going to have a little rest. Oh no! You know what that means? Show me your groovy solar system moon! Hooray! Powerful sun, keeping the planets moving. Mercury, Venus. Blue.
How many planets are there? What names the planets? First, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, Pluto. Okay, very good. Now, how many planets? 9. Okay, very good. Now we will do exercises.
Subscribing for free to the CB's YouTube channel.
Now, first exercises, we should put the planets in the correct order. Starting closest to the sun. What is the closest to the sun? Closest to the sun. What is it, sun? Sun? Yes. What is the closest to the sun? First. First planet? Mercury. Very good. Now, come here and put Mercury on first. Okay, next. What planet next? Next. Venus. Okay, come here. Second. Next. Venus. Venus. Okay, next. Earth or Mars? Mars. Very good. Mars. Mars is or Earth? Earth. Yes. Earth. Third. What is it? It's in third. Put it here. Okay. Next. Mars. Okay. Asian. Where is Mars? Put it fourth. Yes. Okay. Next, the piece. Jupiter. Which one? Where is Jupiter? Next. Saturn. Where is Saturn? Okay. Next. Uranus. Uranus or Neptune? Neptune? Uranus. Ascend? Uranus is here, yes? Put it here and Neptune, yes? Okay. Now finish. It is right, very good. All answers is right, very good. Next. First, question. Now, I need please read and answer. Read these sentences.
Each planet in the solar system.
Okay, very good. Now this is here. Next question. Please read out Okay, very good. Same. Next question. Jean. Jean. Okay, good. Yes. Letters. Next. Now, Mars. Your turn.
Mars is a red planet which I will come.
Okay, good. Word game about space, yes, about our vocabulary to improve our vocabulary. So divide into two groups. You will be your six and Big Jean, Ali, Bakır, Asiya, Kasalat, you are the first group. Kausar, Sultan, Jean, Inabat, Aljan, you are the second group. Okay? Now you will play word game. Now, Jean, come here. All of you come here. First group, come here. Now it's your cards. Come here, like that. Now, take your cards. Üzerine aldır, keşke dedi. Take your cards. Açın diye. Hazır diye. Now, roll the dice, then go. You go. Yes, roll the dice first. Roll the dice. Yes. Then say what is it. Take the card and say what is it. Okay. How many planes? Okay, now read. Then you will go. Okay. Now it's your tasks. Now first for run. Take roll the dice. Take. See. Telescope. See. Okay, good. One, three. Okay. Next, Inabat rolls the dice. Two. Now take. Say what is it? Rocket. Very good. Okay. Next, Nursultan rolls the dice. What is it? Fish. Okay, good. Now, go. 1, 2. Next, again. 2. What's it?
Spacesuit.
Okay, very good. Now, the first group, what are you doing? Okay.
How many planets are there in your solar system?
Okay, very good. I see.
How many?
Yes.
This is a comet. This is a comet.
Okay. Okay, Two. No, take one card. What's it?
It says ice, space,
Sweet. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes. One. Okay.
This is
Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Last. Your turn.
this is a planet